Improving your posture can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. Here are some exercises that can help. 1. Plank strengthens your core and glutes, which are essential for maintaining good posture. 2. Cat-cow enhances spine mobility and relieves tension in your torso, shoulders, and neck. 3. Doorway stretch opens up your chest and counteracts the effects of slouching. 4. Upper trapezius stretch relaxes your neck muscles. 5. Neck retraction chin tucks strengthens your neck muscles. 6. Standing pull apart strengthens your shoulder blades. 7. Kneeling hip flexor stretched lengthens your hip flexors, which can become tight from prolonged sitting. 8. Bird dog balances your core and back muscles. 9. Half cobra pose stretches your lower back and chest. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can help you stand taller and feel better. Would you like more details on any specific exercise?